as one. Together we are Davao. Together we are unstoppable. 88 years strong. One Davao and going strong.
Isang malaking sigaw!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
We have our former Mutyan ng Davao, Hannah Malpisio!
At sino naman ang nagsabing walang supporter? Si Tatay Digong!
O, iba!
Tatawa-tawa pa ang nagsabing walang supporters? Sinong supporters niya? Papayag ba kayo nun?
Hindi ito edited! Hindi na kayang i-edit ang dami ng taong sumusuporta sa kanya! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat!
At habang naglalakad tayo, isigaw na natin ang nasa loob natin!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
At ang sigaw ng
Duterte!
mga Davaoenos ay...
We will never get tired until you are home in Davao! Tatay Digong!
We are waiting for your comeback time! Mabuhay ang Davao! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong pagmatagal ng adlawon just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th araw ng Davao. This is a very special moment for everyone.
Today, we made a history that the people will never forget!
Today is the day when the world will never forget who we stand for as Davaoenos.
Isang malaking hiyaw! Pauwiin si Tatay Digong!
And who are we standing for?
Duterte! Duterte!
Taos puso po nating ginagawa to, walang bayad, tama?
Tama!
Mayaman tayo! si Tatay Digong!
Tears, dagang salamat sa inyong tanan.
CSU, PSSO.
There are individuals who printed shirts to give away to the people who participated the parade. Dagang salamat sa inyo.
Ang daming volunteers, ang daming mga tao talagang nag-alay, pagkain,
Nag-donate.
pambiling, yes!
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure Tatay Digong would say the same to each one of you.
And as always says, we say, President Duterte, bring him home!
Bring him home!
Bring him home! President Duterte,
Bring him home! We stand with FPRRD! Mabuhay Tatay Digong! We stand behind you! Yes, thank you very much for your time!
PDR MC Barangay Mintal,
At hindi po
PDR MC 19-B,
Yes.
One of the legacies of Tatay Digong, the 911.
Yes. The first in Davao City.
The first in Asia.
Yes. At hindi po dito nagtatapos ang ating parada Davaoenyo. Kung gusto nyo po, you can proceed at San Pedro Square. Later tonight, we have